Today, I'll give you the perfect response when a woman hugs. Many men don't realize that a hug can be much more a simple gesture of greeting or affection that can be a powerful signal in attraction in the next few minutes. I'll break down the 4 types of hugs and explain exactly how you shall react to never miss an opportunity again. A hug can be much more than just a simple gesture, off greeting, or affection in their arm of attraction. It can serve as a powerful signal a way for a woman to measure your response, express interest, even create a ment of connection. The problem is that most men fail to read these subtle cues as air salt. They let value operate slip, key giving off the wrong signals. Zach's disinterest, lack of confidence here, a complaint 9th off attraction. Dink's a hug isn't just about physicalness, it's a silent communicator, vinning unspoken feelings and desires, duration, pressure, and even bow. Positioning can tell you more than words cyber could. That's why it's crucial to understand the C gestures and respond appropriately. Now let's dive into the types of hugs in what they real one, the friendly pat. This the most casual type off hug. It lasts lastly a second or two, a slight inclination of the body, minimal torso contact, and usually well includes a few pats in the back. It's a warm but platonic gesture, often next chain between friends or acquaintances. If a woman hugs you this way, it likely means chassis you as a friend rather than aromantic interpean. Focus on and creating moments, off closeness and chemistry to transition from the friend zone to something more tethering. Fue hug lasts a bit longer. Anthers a noticeable firmness in the way, wraps her arms around you. It's more just a quick greeting signals comfort tampy. However, it does airy mean attraction just yet to correspond the right way. Don't pull back too quickly. Hold the hug just a second longer than she expects and observe her reaction. If Chez Mills maintains eye contact or remains relaxing your arms design, Thatch is comfortable around you. This ice cube to continue building fat connection reader and rushing in Tony thing too soon. Free the lingering grass, a hug that lasts longer. The annual wars doesn't rush to let Goku into caper attraction. I relaxes again. Stores and chop roses or chest closer. That's a sign of emotional and physical connection. Pay attention to her breathing. If it slows down and her hands linger on your back, she's comfortable. Your closeness when you experience this type of hug. Don't want Tia be the first to pull away. Instead, mirror Harry. If she stays close, reciprocate with a light touch on her lower back or a gentle squeeze, allowing me tolling her just a little longer that this small yet significant move, dependent connection, and signal or confidence for the intimate brace. This is the most telling hug of Fall. Shellens incompletely resting her hidden your shoulder or neck. Her breath thing becomes more noticeable. Ang may even lightly caress your back. This is a clear sign that she feels safe, connected, and likely attracted to you. When faced with this kind of hug, don't rush to break the moment. Instead, embrace her naturally, allowing her to feel your warmth and presence. If pull away, she may be inviting deeper into Dot. Watch for subtle cues. If she tilts her head towards you, tighten your embrace or lingers in your arms, signaling Thatch wants more than just a friendly hug. If you notice these signs off traction, don't. Let the moment pass. Why confidence is key. Stay composed. Represent and respond with aation. Simplest way to deepen these inactionists through subtle but natural gestures. It's a light touch on the back, a gentle squeeze, or a maintain contact as Shepples away. Avoid seeming nervous or overgrower, and instead let your body language convict you. Token fit T. The next time a woman hugs Sue, pay close attention. That simple guest might be saying much more than words ever cowed. It could be her way off testing waters, signaling her interest, or inviting you to get closer. Ref, you can read between the lines. Andre Spond, with self-assurance, will never miss an opportunity again. What's most telling sign of attraction in a hygiene? Our opinion. Drop a comment below.